All Pro Exterior Services here again. We got a local famous restaurant. It's been here, I don't know, 100 years it seems like. Over here with they want to get they're gonna be painting it, so I know the painter very well. That's how you get jobs when you meet people, and we got that done. So we hooked up water, and we're gonna get rolling. We're gonna be using the AR, and yeah, this is kind of out in the nowhere. You can see right on the water. Beautiful. It's gonna be fun. So we'll get some footage. We got guys here working on. You see the crane? A bunch of AC and heating guys up here. So we got to be cognizant of other people. So it's gonna be a project, but we're gonna knock it out pretty quick. We just got this front wall and then the side wall. So I'll get some footage in a minute. Peace. All right, guys and girls. All right, Tony. Thank you. Got this side done. We fight with wind. We fighting with workers. It's definitely a struggle. The guy booked a bunch of stuff on the day that he wants to get some stuff done. So we're doing what we can. I already talked to the manager, project manager, and he already said, look, roll with it, man. It's okay. A little bit of bleach ain't gonna kill us. I said, all right then. So we're just wetting this metal building, the metal roof. Make sure our glass is wet. They're gonna have to move.
They're not. They're about to come try and eat.
No, they can't eat. Yeah, I know. It's a busy place, guys. This is a famous, world famous restaurant for seafood, known for the catfish plate. Fried catfish. Maybe we'll get a deal out of here before we go. So, anyway, we got this side, did a test spot, came out beautiful. So we're about to hit the rest of this. We already soaked it all down. Hit that side. Hit the side over here, and then we got a little bit of section behind the back, and then we're out of here. Get out of here. So, it's a struggle, guys. I almost pulled off from the job. I talked to the guys, and they said, no, roll, what are you here? And I said, okay, because I'm not coming back for another week until we build. All right, guys, catch up in a minute. Peace. The crane here. We got 70% of this done. I want to show you guys. Look at that. All that stuff. He's gonna get it painted. I don't know if he's gonna want to paint it after we're done. We got some shady electricals connections right here, so Tony's already on property protection, and I'm just trying to hit this peak, which is no problem. I already told the workers, don't get excited. Don't get excited, fly United, baby. So I'm gonna go ahead and do what I can. Let Tony do his thing. Let this marinate. I'm letting it marinate for about 15 minutes. Make sure we get all that stuff off, and it's coming right off. You see right there, it's starting to come off. And I pre-wet all my metal roofs. So he's getting a little free something on a metal cleaning. Little bonus. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn my soap off. We've already got everything soaped. Got some in the line, so I hit the stingy areas. Example given right here. Gonna hit all that. Oh yeah, that's gonna come right off. Look at it just falling off. Yeah, and I left my stand or my headband at the house, so it ain't happening today. Yeah, I almost walked from this job, but I'm glad we're getting it done because we don't really have time to come back. They only closed on Mondays, and that's it. That's it. So. But we're getting it done. I went ahead and pre-wet that wood ornament. So, we're good. Should be rinsing here in a minute. Yep, got water. All right, guys. We'll go ahead and get, Tony's getting on a little giant. See what we can do. All right, peace. Got all the front done. Still waiting on the crane to move for the side. I may have to come back for that. I don't know. We're going to go catch this side. They got a little bit in the back we're going to do. I want to show you this water. Cheese and Pete, it looks brown. It looks like bleach sitting a week. I mean, let me show you guys. I don't know if you can see it, but it is nasty. So definitely going to be dumping the tank. We had to wait on water. I'm sure they're getting water from out that Lake Pontchartrain, Lake Maurepas. And anyway, so we're going to run it through it and roll, and then get home, rinse it out. But looking real good. Came out nice. Let me show you the side. Again, this is a job from a painter that I hooked up with. He's painting the whole building, well, the wooden part. A little play area, little deck area. This is a little town called Manchac, in the middle of nowhere. Kind of thing, you come out here and you don't make the right turn, you don't go home. A little beach area for the kids. Well, here's a little side here. I'll show you right here. Little side here we gotta hit. And then just right here, right back. All the metal stuff we're not painting. In fact, let me see if this bathroom's open. No, it's locked. So up here, try to hit that. But you see, we got workers. They scheduled everything on the time. So anyway, we'll catch up. All right, peace. And the crane picked up. Clearing out. I think we're gonna pull right here. We got the back done. I mean, the front done. 50% of the side. There's a little section in the back we couldn't get to because there's electricians right there putting an air conditioner in. So we're gonna go ahead and just do what we can. We should have been out of here already, but we've been held up. Got here about 9:30, and then it's about noon right now. 11:30. So we'll catch up. Let's look at that yucky water, man. Look at that. That looks disgusting. I don't know if they make their tea with that. I hope not. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and let the water run as soon as they pick up the crane. That way we can roll over there with a full tank and we can hop on it. All right, guys, catch up. Peace. All right, guys, we're in the last section of this beast. They're waiting on the workers to get out of the way. Dealing with wind off the lake. Always fun. It's all right, we got some extra work out of this deal too. He wanted us to spray some other stuff while we're here, so it made us worth our weight. And this volume from this AR is just knocking this stuff right off. Not a problem. See that? The wind. The wind. Getting it though. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this. We're gonna wrap up. Peace. Got it back at the house. Got everything hooked up. Did well today. Gonna go ahead and drain some more of this water. Try to get some of that nasty water out of here. Flush it out and roll with it. But yeah, we had a good day. Got so we did that job where the guys are gonna paint, and then after the paint, the customer wants me to come back and do some additional work in the back on the metal stuff. So in fact, he had me spray some more stuff while I was there, and I just hit him for a little charge. Prices are going up, man. So you know, diesel's $5.50 a gallon over here. So diesel truck, that's what it comes down to. But we did well. So anyway, please like, sub, call, comment. Keep them coming. Peace.